Meet Ananya, a dynamic corporate professional stepping into a new day at Zepay Group, where innovation meets intelligence. As she prepares her presentation, she's excited to share how Zepay Group is helping businesses grow through cutting-edge digital systems. At Zepay Group, we build intelligent products that simplify management, enhance productivity, and drive growth, all powered by technology. From HR and payroll systems to advanced school and NGO portals, Zepay offers a complete suite of business solutions, including GST billing, video KYC CRM, and insurance management. In this era of artificial intelligence, businesses must evolve. With AI as your co-pilot, Zepay automates processes, boosts efficiency, and helps achieve up to 3,000% growth without a single drop of manual headache. At Zepay Group, our mission is clear: to deliver world-class technology solutions at the most affordable price, backed by round-the-clock customer support. Join thousands of businesses growing smarter with Zepay Group, your partner in digital transformation.